Yeah, pretty. I know I'm pretty. You girls out there just think I'm just so colored. But anyway, this is McGillicuddy's Hangout, and welcome to it. Each and every one of you. God bless you. And today we're popping springs. Yep. Right? And blowing nuts and bolts. And having a lot of fun at it. And we got to take some of these screws out. These ones. We'll just hide them over there, out of the way. Because it makes it a little bit more pure aluminum. We don't want to hurt this, because we'll need that later, I think. Not sure where we're going to put it. Maybe on the hamster. Hey? Get the old hamster cage going. Getting it paddling. About 20 hamster power. I think that'll move this truck. I wonder if we could do that. 20 hamster power. That would be funny. Yep. Yep, boys and girls. It's spring. We've had a long winter. See, I'm getting them all out. That's a big one. That tells me right there that it doesn't fit in these ones. You know why? Someone broke them. Yeah, they broke. We'll put them there. Yep, we're almost there. We're gonna have a little bit more fun popping those springs out. Do you remember how to take them out? There's a little tool that's supposed to go in and under there, but it doesn't. I don't know. I don't have one. So we're gonna have to use our noodle. This thing. I'm gonna show you. I have an idea. You just stick with me. You'll learn something. Even if it's learning what not to do, you're learning something. See? These are the bolts for holding the head down. That's the way to get rid of one if you want to get rid of it real quick. I think we've got to take another idea, another approach to it. I don't want to hurt my fingers. You don't want me to hurt my fingers, do you? This is not funny if I hurt my fingers. See? There's a little ring on this one. I got rid of one. See, right there? There's the ring on it. There we go. Excuse me. It's not easy to pop them out. Just like that. Look at that. I bet you can't even do that in the shop. Yep. Put this over here. That. Now, one reason or another, this thing doesn't want to let go. I don't know why. Maybe I missed something. Oh, it's loose. It's loose. I think we're going to have to use the axe. I think we're going to have to use the axe on it. But I think I might just... I'm going to... Spark plugs. It's time to get them out. Yeah. They're an expensive little touch. Do you see the light? I do. fade into that. Yes, boys and girls, if you stick with me, you'll be as educated as I am. See? Look at that. That's a leak. That's gone leaky. That one's okay, and that one's okay. But in a little while, we're gonna turn it over. Yeah, turn it over, and just see if it will crank over. And then you get to see the pistons go up and down. Yeah. So it won't go up and down too fast, but who knows? I've never seen it. So we'll experience this together in the McGillicuddy Hangout. First time. Yeah. What's the chances of that standing up on its own? Like that? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Now, oh, yep, okay. Oh, you know, I left this in. This is the timing belt. I was trying to be considerate to the next person who puts his motor, being me and you, or somebody else. They might want to use this timing belt, and all they have to do is get the needle and thread out and sew it together. And if they do it right, I don't see any problem with it'll work or not. Do you think you care from where you are? You said no. 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 Yeah. No, you don't have to worry about it. You sew it together properly and maybe use some glue from school, you know, the one with the little angled top and it's brown. Just put some on there and then get the needle out and stitch it together. A couple band-aids and some duct tape. And it'll be like brand new. Maybe one day we'll get around to showing you how it's done. But today we're going to be serious. We're going to be serial about things. Yeah. I look like Einstein, don't I? I could be his cousin. Maybe. Maybe not. You know what? Geniuses are born every day, like me. And I know it's one of those things. With my good looks and my debonair, I know I'm hard to resist, but restrain yourselves. And anyway, I think we'll keep this cable right here. We'll keep it. It looks pretty. It looks pretty good shape. I don't see why we can't keep it. And this one here, I don't know where it goes, but it looks pretty good too. I think that it might be a part of the transmission. And if it's a part of the transmission, we're going to have to figure out what else it can do for us. Yeah. Because I want to make this the most energy efficient Toyota that I've ever seen. I wanted to take a liter a week to drive it. And well, maybe not, but could be. Parked most of the time. So I only burn a liter because when I do take it out, it's only out for a week. For a little drive, it burns a liter and then bring it home and set it. That's one way of burning a liter. But personally, I like to take long strolls into the old outdoors, see if I can find some moonshine, and have a chat with them. Yes, they're entrepreneurs. Yeah. Anyway, until then, I think we've got all these springs out. We'll just pop them out just like this. I think that's fascinating how they just sand that right off. That's like perfect. we'll just put that over there with the other one. There's another one. And they're all out now. Oh, and here's another one hiding on us. So, until next time, keep your stick on the ice and enjoy every minute because I am. Alright? Boogaloo!